Breaking news. Welcome to today's headlines. Supreme Court's verdict. Holu Group disowns Governor Uzodinma. Says he will lose re-election. Supreme Court verdict. Holu Group disowns Governor Uzodinma. Says he will lose re-election. To my dear listeners from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news. A political group, Holu Political Action Committee, OPAC, has reacted angrily to the Supreme Court verdict that settled the legal fireworks between Imo and Rivers State over the 17 disputed oil wells. The dispute, Daily Post reported, was resolved in favor of Rivers State. In a statement on Saturday, the group from Olu politically disowned Imo State Governor Hope Uzodinma. It's called on the sons and daughters of Olu currently serving in Uzodinma's government to resign. Uzodinma is the immediate past senator that represented Olu senatorial district in the National Assembly. The political group said any political party dealing with Uzodinma would be roundly rejected at the poll in 2023. The group's publicity secretary, Barrister Nnamdi Maduka, made this declaration in the statement made available to Daily Post. Part of the statement reads, "It is deeply unacceptable and unpardonable that our ancestral land has been taken away from us right under the watch of an Olu son. We have placed a perpetual ban on the Imo State Governor, Senator Hope Uzodinma, from seeking re-election as governor, contesting any other election in future, or holding any other public office upon the expiration of his current office." Any political party that is dealing with Chief Uzodinma should be aware that the collective wrath of Olu people awaits such party. For us, this loss is occasioned primarily by the inability of the regime of Chief Hope Uzodinma to prioritize the legal battle and deploy other relevant political tools in asserting ownership over the land and its accompanying resources. It is disheartening to note that while the litigation lasted, Chief Uzodinma lost focus and instead busied himself with frivolities and shameful political ramattas. In the last few days, countless lives, including those of law enforcement personnel, have been lost. What is really worrisome is that the so-called helmsman of Imo has remained clueless over these killings. The inherent regime has continually blamed everyone else and everything else for killings, but has neither budged about addressing the issue in a sustainable manner nor taking responsibility for its indefensible inability to protect the lives and property of our people. Much of our territory in Oluzon has today become uninhabitable. There are now more internally displaced persons in Oluzon than the entire Borno state. No investor thinks Olu anymore. Businesses have shuttered. Basic amenities are sorely lacking. Personal safety in Olu today has become a marriage, and violent death have become as constant as the sun. Hopak, therefore, finds it embarrassing, outrageous, and condemnable that even in the face of these tragedies, Chief Uzodinma has begun plotting and putting up structures to pursue a second-term ambition. This is an open and unabashed assault on the memories of our departed brothers and sisters who died untimely as a result of the irresponsibility of the people in power. We cannot allow these ravages, miseries, and agonies in our land to continue. Also, OPAC mandates and all indigents of Oluzon who are serving the regime of Chief Uzodinma to immediately resign their positions and seek atonement and forgiveness from the people. Whoever that comes from Olu and serves a regime that brings tears to our people is a traitor who must be exposed and committed to the hall of shame. Hopak said his unfortunate development had become a reminder of why Uzodinma allegedly failed in curtailing the festering insecurity in the state. To my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. Please do drop by at the comment section and let us know what your view is all about today's news. Thank you for staying tuned.